to understand ITP, confused about how to prepare it and why it's even required, then you are in the right place. Welcome to Construction Quality Hub. I am Engineer Shakir Ali, and in today's video I will explain the real purpose, use and structure of an ITP, inspection and test plan. Let's start from what is ITP. ITP is a roadmap for quality checks in construction projects. It tells us what to check, when to check, who should check, and what standards to follow. Now let me tell you the purpose of ITP. Why do we need ITP? The purpose of ITP is to ensure each activity is executed and verified according to project specifications, codes, drawings, and client expectations. ITP gives us a real step-by-step guideline for quality control, starting from document approval, material receiving, site execution, testing, and ending at the final approval of any specific construction activity. Let me repeat these steps for you. First of all, document approval. Second, material receiving. Third, site execution. Fourth, testing. And it ends at the final approval of any construction activity. Let me tell you the importance of ITP. ITP is not just a formality, it's legally binding document. Once it's approved by the consultant and client, it becomes a part of your project record. Yes, it becomes a part of your project record. Let's say there's a dispute on site. What would you do? At that time, ITP can be your first line of defense. You can show that what was inspected, who carried out inspection, and who approved it. That's why every QA/QC engineer must know how to understand and prepare ITP correctly. Now I'll tell you who prepares ITP. Usually ITPs are prepared by contractor QA/QC team. Once prepared, they submit officially to the consultant and client for final approval. It's our job as a QA/QC professional to make sure that ITP reflects activity, stage, reference documents, acceptance criteria, and responsible parties. Let's talk about the reference documents for ITP. So how do we decide what to include in the ITP? We don't just write it randomly. We take references from project specification, drawings, international standards, approved method statement. It's very important to take reference from approved method statement and other relevant documents. So from where we take references? We take reference from project specification, international standards, drawings, approved method statement, and other relevant documents. So now you know what is ITP, its purpose, and the documents behind it. But the most important part is still coming. In the next video, part 2, I will show you step by step that how to prepare a complete ITP. I will cover activity description, stage, reference documents, acceptance criteria, inspection points, and responsible parties. Here, I would like to briefly talk about inspection points. There are four inspection points in the ITP: hold point, witness point, review point, and surveillance points. These 4 points are very important in the ITP. That's why I will elaborate these 4 points in separate video. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more QA/QC videos. Also drop a comment if you want me to cover any quality topic. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.